meaning for you, don't let warriors overshadow my brand, because my brand is Jojo Tank. So, the poster that I've kept, that's been posted on my social media for donations, it's mine. And it's the only account that you are supposed to use that has my name and my surname. If you have any further information, contact details have been given for you down below on the poster. So, ladies and gentlemen, I, as Karabo Jojo, well known as Jojo, am telling you, Uguti, the only thing that I know is the poster that was given out today to say that you guys can give your monies there directly in the account. The monies that you took out in the Warriors, I don't even know a simple R1. I don't even know the bank balance. I don't even know. Okay, I know that Emma Shuku, who is the lady that I left as a person to work under me and help Fifi to manage my account, is the one who was part of it. And if you guys are also dragging them, I'll buy it because we are all being dragged on social media. So my mother and my father's names and my sister's names, they will be kept out of your mouths. And I'm saying this in the most very much respectful way. You know I respect my elders most. So ladies and gentlemen, if you send money in the Warriors, you can talk to the Warriors directly. Because, and if you don't believe me, if you keep on dragging, I will take out the receipts that they were removed from the group. Who was removed? My mom, my dad, and my sister. So, Gloria does not know where the money is. Gloria just knows about a warrior group that exists, but there's never received money from the warrior group. So, Gloria is very shocked, as much as the people who sent money are shocked. So, cheers. The problem is when I show you my mom and refill, you guys want to post them on Facebook and say that they stole your man. So I'm not gonna show them anymore on social media. Yeah, but yeah, my parents are precious to me, and I don't care about the negative comments. You can even say that bad things about me. It doesn't reach me. I am sure you know me by now. Yeah, but so leave my parents, then me and you guys will be good. You know, my parents are not. They didn't audition for Big Brother. I auditioned for Big Brother. And at the end of the day, this is what God says. Do not touch the anointed. Tuba.